Imagine owning a token that pays you daily just for holding it. There's no trading needed. Well, that's what we're going to talk about today with Blockchain FX. So here we are on Blockchain FX's homepage, and as you can see, it's a very crisp website. It looks really good, easy to read. I like the initial steps of it. So it's important to note that this is the first crypto trading super app, right? So Blockchain FX is a licensed next-gen crypto exchange that connects DeFi with traditional financial markets. It's the only Web3 platform offering access to stocks, forex, ETFs, and more. So it's important to note here that we are still in the BFX pre-sale. And one thing to note is that it's actually already raised over $11.6 million in funding. So it shows a lot of confidence with early investors, and it shows that this actually has a long way to go ahead of it, which is very promising when you're sitting in a pre-sale. So again, you can see here, BFX is the world's first cryptocurrency backed by a global multi-asset trading platform where holders receive USDT rewards anytime someone trades, even during a pre-sale. So again, with the pre-sale, super important to get in so you can earn as many rewards as possible. And again, it's very important to note that obviously, while it is obviously trading traditional financial markets, obviously giving you access to stocks, forex, ETFs, and more, it is already live and active. So as soon as you get involved, you're already going to start earning these rewards. Now, as we move down a little bit, security verified by industry experts. You've got CoinSol, you've got Certic, and you've got Solid Proof. All these three have completed their checks, showing you that it is a very trustworthy place to be investing in. And then obviously here you do have some additional people doing some reviews saying how amazing it is. This guy, imagine getting into Coinbase or Binance at day one. That's exactly what BFX is offering right now in its pre-sale. These are very good things to get involved in early because of the fact that firstly, you can get rewarded while you're in here, but the future prospects as well. Everybody knows that if you get in early, that's where your rewards are going to be very good down the line. Now, if you are still a little bit unsure as to what it is, it's pioneering crypto exchange. So Blockchain FX is redefining the future of trading with an all-in-one decentralized platform where users can trade anything, anywhere, while maintaining full control of their assets. There is not a platform like this out yet, so currently held at beta, awarded best new crypto trading out of 2025, right? It's got a lot of backing behind it, which is obviously very good. You can get a demo trader going on as well. And then the important part that I found, which really got me involved in this, was the daily staking rewards. To be a daily holder, you can be earning daily USDT rewards. And these can be up to about 70% of the daily trading fees. And the thing is, if you're a big holder, if you're a bit of a big gun, you can actually have about $25,000 coming your way just from holding. So obviously to do this super easy. All you've got to do is own BFX, stake your BFX, and then in your personal dashboard, you'll see your staking rewards. It's literally that simple. And then if you're still a little bit confused, you've got how it works, right? So blockchain is a global exchange. We've covered all that. Every time someone trades, 70% of the trading fees go towards BFX staking pool, buybacks, and token birds. So staking rewards are based on how much BFX a community member holds and are capped at 25,000 USDT per day. As I said earlier, again, written there so you can see it yourself. So nice little diagram here showing you. So users trade on the Blockchain FX, 70% BFX community pool goes to 20% buyback or 50% staking. The 20% buyback goes to burn, the staking goes to USDT or BFX, and then daily passive staking income for BFX holders. On the other side of it, 30% goes to the company revenue, and obviously the marketing team and the development of this app. Now, I'll mention this again later, but you can get a BFX Visa card, which again is only available in the pre-sale. It just means that you can use this globally. I'm a big sucker for cards. My wallet's pretty stacked up with them, so I've already got mine. I absolutely love it. It looks clean, it looks cool, and to be honest with you, a lot of people actually ask what it is, and I love telling them. So benefits of buying BFX during the pre-sale: you get the lowest token price before the launch, because it is important to note that at every stage that this improves, the price goes up in terms of the token. So You get in early and you can get the best price for it right now. You can obviously get your limited edition BFX Visa card, which I've just spoken about. You can get exclusive bonus trading credits, so up to $25,000 in free trading credits to kickstart trading on the blockchain FX with no conditions. And then obviously your daily USD staking reward. So a lot of perks for just getting in the pre-sale. Obviously, here are some more of the cards that you can get. I have the novice one, but I think, I'm probably going to end up getting the advanced one just because I'm enjoying it so much. And then there is a biggest buying competition. So for those of you who have a bit of wedge behind you, the top 10 BFX presale buyers will receive a share of 100,000 USD prize pool in BFX. So this competition is our way of saying thank you to those who contributed the most and played a major role in the growth of blockchain FX ecosystem. So if you have a look at this, obviously you like the video or whatever, and you feel like you can put a lot of money into this, you'll also get rewarded for this. And then obviously it gives you a little diagram here, bridging crypto and finance, obviously 89 billion in crypto. Just a little diagram for you there. The first crypto exchange that pays its holders goes into it just a little bit more, shows you the other exchanges, shows you blockchain FX, and it shows you the difference, So either crypto exchanges, high fees with no rewards for users, right? And blockchain FX shares profits with the community. So you can see here a couple of points, and it really does show how much better blockchain FX actually is. And then we've got another one with standout features down here, which basically show that blockchain FX, you can trade crypto, leverage trading, risk management, Forex. And this is a big one for me, right? So I'm a Forex trader by trade. So for me, the fact that I can trade Forex on this as well was massive, right? So for me, this is half the reason I bought in, and I'm super happy to continue buying in with this. And then obviously moving on, commodities, CFDs, ETFs, and USD rewards. So a lot more than the other companies, right? And then obviously you've got the BFX Whitepaper, which you can go ahead and access. You've got token deals. It shows you 15% pre-sale bonuses, 5% development, 5% team, 20% liquidity, 5% reserve for CEX listings, and then obviously the pre-sale. So with massive CEX listing confirms, and also with massive trading daily volume, this is kind of a recipe for success. And I would say that if you're an early pre-sale buyer, you're in a very good position to be profitable in the future. Now, we do have some additional comments to be made here. You can get an exclusive BFX Visa card for global spending, but it is only available from the pre-sale. There are also membership tiers starting at $1,000. That will get you some extra tokens, it'll get you some NFTs, and it will probably get you some extra special perks as well. So it's important for you to get in now before the next stage sells out. So use the code YT30 for an extra 30% of coins during the pre-sale. That link is in the description below, so you can go ahead and find it there. See you on the next one.